How can you enhance a night video or a landscape video shot while traveling? You may want to find a solution to reduce the noise. So today, I will show you an easy way to fix your blurry night video just in one click. Let's go. So first, go to this website and download the Video Enhancer tool free, or you just click the link in the description and free to get it. Then, launch it. Just input your video here, and you can find the General Denise model on the right. And there are three models here: the Quality N1, the Balance one, and the Fast one. I will show you separately, and you can see the difference. And then we click the setting here and choose the output format. I always choose 4K resolution and MP4 format. So here we click the preview to have a look. And by the way, I choose the quality mode here. As you can see, after enhance the video, it's quite obvious that the video is less noise and become more clearer. The result satisfies me. Then I try the Balance one. It take less time to finish the process, and the face looks more clearer. Wow, I like this result. And the last one is Fast mode. It can save your time to finish the process, and it keeps the original video texture while becoming much clearer. So here is the differences. Which mode you like best? Let me know in the comment area, and we will randomly select one lucky commenter to send out a surprise. See you in the next video.